guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker unboxing and a review of the PUMA Suede Vintage. Before we get into the review, guys, if you are new to our channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some love. We want to see some comments. We want to engage. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown at us, and slap that like button. We want to see the thumbs up. It shows the love and appreciation that you have for us. So let's get into the review. So today we've got a look at arguably a forgotten and dark horse when it comes to vintage classic sneakers. Everyone knows about the Nike Air Force One. Everyone knows about the Adidas Superstar. Everyone knows about the Converse All-Star Chuck Taylors. They always forget about the Puma Suedes. We're here to remind you of how iconic and how dope these sneakers are. So we've got these Puma Suede Vintage in a black and white colorway. We've got these in a UK size 7, it's a European 40.5, and it's a US size 8. And to my recollection, I remember these being sold several years ago, and it didn't come in such a nice clean box like the one that we have here with the Puma stripe there. It came with a outer sleeve that was red. It was there to reduce materials really, but I think Puma were on the forefront when it came to sustainable materials. They were using it way before everyone else. Well, I could be wrong, but that's all what I remember. With that, let's get into the unboxing. So, here is Puma's classic sneaker. So let us start with the outsole. So it's an all rubber outsole, and you've got these like star prints that are right there. It's all around. Puma logo in bang on the middle, going along onto the midsole. It's all rubber as well. And where we work along up onto the upper, this is where it's a little bit of story time. So for those that don't know, Adidas's founder and Puma's founder, they're actually brothers. So Adi Dassler and Rudolf Dassler, they founded what was going to be known as Puma, and they had a falling out. Adi went on to make Adidas, and Rudolf stuck with what is known as Puma today. Throughout that little town in Germany, there's always been some rivalry, and it's even shown in the fashion market. So where Adidas have their iconic Superstar, they have their Stan Smiths, which are leather sneakers. Puma thought, you know what, we're gonna break into the market with an all suede sneaker. Now back in the 60s, suede was known as a premium luxury item. So for Puma to incorporate it in their first sneaker, it was out of this world back then. It was mind-blowing because they're incorporating premium materials onto a shoe which was never seen before, and that is why this makes this iconic. It's an all suede. It's in the name, suede. All suede. You got it all around here in this black colorway, and with the white stripe with the Puma emboss that's there on the lateral side. On the medial side, still got a stripe. Got flat lacing, and it comes with white lacing too. And at the tongue, you got the Puma logo, and at the heel, you got a gold Puma logo also. Now these sneakers I mentioned in the beginning, like these are the forgotten classics, and they shouldn't be forgotten. They were part of history. They were part of the 1968 Olympics in Mexico, where the athlete Tommy Smith, who won the 200 meters, but famously did power salute for his silent protest against the racial injustices that were going in America, that were going on towards African Americans, that they were suffering at the time, unfortunately, which they still seem to be experiencing today. Well, as a side note, we need to eradicate that. And they were seen in the break dancing movement. So these sneakers, believe it or not, they have such an impact to black culture in regards to Thomas Smith's silent protest and in New York's breakdance scene, they were all wearing these in the 70s to match their crews when they did battles and to go along with their outfits, you know, because they were fly. They would wear tracksuits with their PUMA Suede classics, and they'd wear like probably Kangol bucket hats. Even from that in the 80s, it further developed into the skate scene, and skaters in the 90s would typically wear PUMA Suedes as well. So these sneakers, as silent as they are in the market, you shouldn't sleep on these. If you're able to get a pair, it's a great price point. I got these for £75, so you can easily pick them up. It's a nice entry-level sneaker. I highly recommend you buy a pair. And before I get into the fit, there's the Puma logo all around there in black and gold in the insole. So roll that footage of me trying it on. Hey guys, when it comes to fit, I do suggest getting a size, maybe half a size up. These UK size 7s are really tight. They're not hugging my feet, they're giving my feet like a bear hug. They're not quite comfy at the minute, but I mean, if I was able to get a half size up, maybe I won't be complaining. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.